Welcome to solverfy.
Right? When we look at these structures, compounds with the same physical properties, so things like melting and boiling point, have to be very, very similar or identical substances. So when we compare these compounds, we can see that compound 2 and 3 are identical, right? So they have the same exact structure, so they will have the same physical properties. When we look at cis and trans isomerization, we're looking for major carbon groups on either side of a double bond. Okay, so with cis being on the same side, trans being on opposite sides of the molecule. And when we compare compound 1, right, compound 1 structure-wise does have relatively large carbon groups on opposite sides of its structure, which makes it a trans isomer. Right, so that one does, because what we see is across that carbon-carbon bond for carbons 3 and 4, that there is, right, that trans shape. So they're opposite from each other, facing different directions. Right, the compound that does not exhibit any cis or trans isomerism would be compound 4, right, because it doesn't have any carbon compound or any carbon substituents across a double bond. Okay, they're all separately bonded around single bonds, and single bonds are able to rotate. Okay, so that doesn't cause any isomerization like a double bond does.